We chose this little power extender to put next to our bed, as we had installed LED lights above the headboard. We stayed at a hotel that had this once, so we just put a piece of wood on little L brackets behind the bed. So we had this simple uplighting at night, but didn't want to have to reach up here over the headboard each night. So we installed this little USB power box for ease of plugging things in without crawling on the floor, and turning all the lights off and on just from lying down on our pillows. Sweet. So the blue painter's tape that's right there, there's a tiny little light that glows that makes me crazy, so I put the painter's tape. It was still too bright, so I colored it in with a black Sharpie, and I'm happy with that. Hope you are too.